As I mentioned in my previous video, cryptocurrency expert BitBoy recently claimed that he had discovered over $208 million worth of cryptocurrency in the Pi network, which is commendable. Over 60% of pioneers have agreed with the decision that the exchanges that have listed Pi on its platform to delist it. The big question is whether these 8 exchanges will actually agree to follow the core team's Pi to listing request. The only way Pi could have reached its enormous claimed value of $208 million is if it had been trading on Atlantis exchange as of January 1st at the price of $75,000. Which it was at the time. I even heard that a guy used Pi coin to buy a house somewhere in India, which to me is unbelievable because on January 2023 roughly about 2,000 Pi will be worth $208 million. Be certain of what Pioneer's true opinions on the delisting problem are. I'd like to highlight why I believe Pioneers want exchanges that listed Pi in compliance with the court team's judgment. Before we move on, fellow pioneers, I welcome you back to Crypto Report. I just wanted to let you guys know to ignore any responses from scammers that are using my YouTube profile photo. Comments, as I always say, the only way to contact us is through the email address and Telegram in the video description. Also, don't forget to like and consider subscribing to our channel for the most recent update. Without further ado, let's move on to the next topic. Guys, one of the reasons why pioneers want the exchanges who listed them to delist them is because of unauthorized listings, as we have seen. Over 60% of my fellow pioneers supported the core team's decision to delist the network's native token in IOU, which had been on the exchanges list. This is extremely significant. If listing Pi would guarantee its genuinity, I would fully support it. However, the remaining 40% of pioneers decided to keep the IOU Pi on exchanges. I personally prefer Pi not to be on the exchanges. Since it is now working to finish KYC, Pi network is actually intending to upgrade to Open Mainnet, which would have been fantastic. If you guys remember that on December, Pi released a statement that they are aware of the rumors that a large number of unauthorized exchanges attempted to list Pi or other products related to Pi as a native coin. Then Pi cleared the air by saying that the coin is not yet ready for trading. So imagine my surprise when I found out that Pi network amazingly has about 40 million members who are mining Pi coins using its accessibility on smartphone-based blockchain mining apps. Certain commodities. The core team's response to this claim is astounding, as they stated on Twitter that the Pi network has no affiliation with any of these exchanges, and that the products being traded on these exchanges are not the genuine Pi tokens. However, the aid exchange platform that listed Pi claims that the real Pi token will be used to redeem the IOU equivalent, so Coin W will be used instead. The core team is adamantly opposed to the token being listed. They have even referred to it as fake and unapproved Pi coins, on the other hand, are not currently permitted to be listed or bought in any official capacity. In order to mine them, interested parties must first join the network. Without wasting much of our time, let's move on. I will be listing down the exchanges that featured Pi on their platform. Several cryptocurrency exchanges are believed to have listed the commodity on their services in anticipation of a more hospitable market environment for the Pi coin, but later removed the tweet after it became clear that the core team was opposed to the notion. One of them is allegedly the exchange Huobi. Huobi Global and XT.com listed the Pi network native token, Pi, for trade on their respective trading platforms less than 24 hours ago. We'll stop here for now. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you have any business proposals, please check out the email in the video's description.